Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Let's start with kind words. No act of kindness is too small. The gift of kindness may start as a small ripple that time can turn into a tidal wave affecting the lives of many. So let's spread the kindness in the world. Friends, we are going to start a new topic of SST today, which is history. History means events of past. There are two types of calendar in your book. Day, week, month and year are unit of time. We count the year in two ways: solar or Christian calendar, lunar or Islamic calendar. The definition of lunar calendar is a calendar based on different phases of moon as compared to the Gregorian calendar that is based on the movement of the earth around the sun. The difference between BC and AD. BC stands for before the common era. It is the time before the birth of Christ. And AD stands for Anno Domini, which is Latin for year of our Lord, according to Christians. And it starts from the birth of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. According to BC and AD, the dating system looks like a number line before Christ and after the birth of Christ. Islamic calendar was started in the era of Hazrat Umar ibn Khattab radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Christian or Gregorian calendar was discovered by Dionysius Exiguus. Students, I have underlined the important points for you. You have to underline during reading. To make quiz questions giving one word answer, or you can make MCQs with the help of these important points. Important points of Pakistan movement. The Muslim rule in subcontinent started with the conquest of Sindh by Muhammad bin Qasim in 712 AD. Guys, you underline all the important points and dates and you will make a timeline in the end. It is very important. Muhammad bin Qasim defeated Raja Dahir. Underline it also. Next one is dynasties of different Muslim rulers ruled over India after Muhammad bin Qasim. These are Slave dynasty, Tughlaqs, Khalji's, Sadat and Mughal dynasties. And Mughal dynasty was ended in 1857 when British took over the subcontinent. British rule was ended in subcontinent in 1947 when Pakistan and India came into being. Topic is two-nation theory. Two-nation theory started when the first Hindu became Muslim in the subcontinent. It means that in the subcontinent two different nations are living, Hindus and Muslims. They could not become one nation. Two-nation theory is based on this concept. Syed Ahmad Khan used the word nation for the Muslims for the first time. After Urdu-Hindi controversy in 1867, when Hindus wanted to implement Hindi as an official language. Like our official language is English these days and our national language is Urdu. Two-nation theory became the basis of Pakistan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan founded MEO High School, Aligarh. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan led the Muslims during their hard times. These are some questions from these topics. You have to search out the answers from underline important points. Your reading book, just like who started Urdu-Hindi controversy. These are some activities which I have suggested for you and you will make it with colorful sheets. This is a picture of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and you have to make the timeline on the life of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. I have given some dates and events for you. This is bookwork. These are the answers of bookwork. A leap year contains 29 days. A decade contains 10 years. There are 100 years in a century. The Muslim League was founded in 1906. Quaid-e-Azam was given the title of Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity. The wife. Read your bookwork in neat handwriting. And these are some notes which you have to write on your notebooks. These are short question answers. You have to make a timeline in this way with the date starting from 7/12 to 1947 when Pakistan came into being. This activity is about decade, century and millennium. You have to make in different way. These are the months of Islamic calendar. You can make these activities as you want. These are the pictures of national heroes. You can paste on your notebooks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.